What's up guys, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery drain test of Honor 9S smartphone to see how much battery life we are going to get when we perform different kind of tasks on it. So we will do gaming test, camera test, native video playback, web browsing test, and also video streaming test on Honor 9S. Right now the battery percentage is 100 and the device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. The brightness is set to automatic, there is no SIM card inserted, and the performance mode is turned off. So these are the settings that we are going to use for this testing purpose. But before we start this, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. So first of all, let's start with the native video playback test. In this I will play a 1080p resolution video for an hour continuously on Honor 9S, and after that we will see how much battery life is going to be remaining on this device. So it's an hour now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's at 95% as you can see here. So after 1 hour of continuous native video playback, the battery percentage moved from 100 to 94 as we can see here. So now we are going to do the next test, and that's going to be the gaming test. In this we will play Asphalt Extreme on the highest possible graphics setting for an hour, and after that once again we will see how much battery is going to be remaining on the device. So it's an hour of gaming now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's at 79%. So after playing Asphalt Extreme on the high graphics quality, the battery percentage moved from 94 to 79. So this is 15% reduction after playing the game in 1 hour. So now let's do the next test for today, and that's going to be the YouTube video playback test. Since Honor 9S does not support the YouTube application, I'm going to use the browser, and we will use the web version of YouTube for this testing purpose. So I will play a few YouTube videos at full HD resolution for 1 hour, and after that we will check how much battery is going to be remaining on this device. So it's an hour of YouTube video playback. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's at 62%. So after 3 hours of continuous usage, the battery percent moved from 100 to 62. And now we are going to do the next test, and that's going to be the web browsing test. In this, SeanHeather.com's homepage will keep refreshing for 1 hour after each 30 seconds, and once this duration is over we will have a look on the battery status one more time. So now it's an hour of web browsing. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 55%. So after using the device continuously for 4 hours, battery percentage moved from 100 to 55. And now we are going to do the last test for today, and that's going to be the camera test. In this we will record a 1080p resolution video for a while, and after that we will see how much battery is going to be remaining on our Honor 9S. So it's 20 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's at 47%. And if you go to the battery settings, here you can see that it is showing that it's still 4 hours 23 minutes remaining. So after nearly 4 hours 20 minutes of continuous usage, battery percentage moved from 100 to 47, and based on that it is showing that once again we can use it for 4 hours 20 minutes more nearly. And if you go to the battery usage here, then you can see that browser, Asphalt Extreme, camera consume the most amount of battery. Huawei Video is what we have used for the native video playback, and as we have seen earlier as well, this is what consumed the less amount of battery for 1 hour, just 5%. The browser combines the web browsing test and also for the YouTube video playback. So you can get the idea that if you use your Honor 9s with SIM cards, with data on, and if you use Bluetooth, location, making voice calls and etc., then still you will get around 6 hours of screen on time for sure. Because even though it comes with a small battery of 3020 mAh only, the processor itself is not resource hungry, and even if you want to play high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting, it's not possible. So even if you play Call of Duty Mobile or PUBG Mobile, you will be able to play them only on low graphics quality. Once again, it will consume less battery on the device. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.